G'day, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast Cars. In this video we're going to have a look at the this 143 scale model truck by IXO. It's a Freightliner 2012 Coronado, and it's TR 181.22, and I've also got some gloves. Some cotton gloves. First time I've decided to get some gloves. Feels a bit weird, but I guess it's better than leaving fingerprints all over the models. So I thought I'd try it and see how we go with it. Now, it has been mentioned before to get some gloves, but yep, I've already... Now I can't grab anything. So maybe I'll put the gloves on after I've taken it out of the box. So that's something that will be a little bit more difficult. Anyway, we'll work with it at the moment. I'll get this out. Alrighty, so we've got a couple of screws, so we'll get them out. I'll get it out of the box and I'll be back with you. Now I can't even, yep, those gloves might be a pain in the bum. I might just put one glove on maybe. I can't even pause the video. Here we go. Alright, I'm back. I've got that out of the box. All right. Let's have a look at this model. First thing I notice, we're having a little bit of trouble with not too bad now. Yeah, those guards are a little tight in there, not allowing those wheels to turn. I think I'm noticing with these gloves on, as I'm finding it hard to feel things. We'll see how we go. Alright, let's start off at the front, as I do. We'll see if I can see what this number plate is. Wyoming. So I'm pretty sure that says Wyoming on the number plate. Front end here looks all pretty good. Chrome bumper looks good. We've got a couple of lights down the bottom here. These headlights all look good. Can't see any real problems. You can just see underneath, you can just see where it would have been attached to the actual sort of mould. There's a little bit hanging down there and just a little bit there. You can't notice it too much unless you're up close. And I'm just sort of being a bit picky there. Grill looks good. We've got the Freightliner up here. And then we've got like a bug deflector up here, chrome bug deflector. And then on the edge of the bumper, we've got these, I'm not actually sure what they're called, but it's just so you can see where the corner of the truck is. Windscreen's a little, we can see that sort of oily film on the windscreen on this one. But like everything else looks okay. No sort of scratches. Windscreen wipers look fine. No problems there. We have a visor up here. The chrome one. These are just painted on lights. So it's see-through orange sort of paint, chrome paint. And up the top we have a couple of lights up here and then two horns. And then on top of the roof we have a wing up on there, which kind of looks pretty good. On the side here, wheels look fine. There's no problems there. We have another light here and more lights down the bottom. Again, they're just painted. Mirrors look pretty good, the way they're attached and everything. Windows look good on the side here. And then we've got the exhaust here, sort of a short exhaust. It is hollow there with black on the inside, which does look good. And separate grab rail, and we have the heat shield there too. We have the fuel tank. So this is, so we just got on this side here, we've just got air tanks and a few other bits and pieces. And then just your chrome cover to go over that with your steps. This is a fuel tank here, and we have some steps to go up the side onto the deck plate there, so you can hook up all your lines. Sleeper, we just have the toolbox door for under the sleeper there, and then just a little vent. Then on the back of the sleeper there is oh no, it's not separate, it's a grab rail there, which is just moulded into the casting and then painted silver. We have your air lines and electrical hookup, a deck plate, and turntable pivots. Now I'm pretty sure these here, in between those guards, I think they're sort of wheel chocks as far as I can work out. They're just black. Then on the back we have mud flaps with all the tail lights and another number plate. And again, as normal, just these back wheels are a little out of shape. It's just the rubber. But you just go through and fix them up, and then it's not a problem. They just get a little bit wobbly. They don't get put on 100%. Correct. And then we've also got another deck plate here. And at the back, same thing on this side here. The rims look good. And here I'd say it's probably your AdBlue tank there, I'm assuming. I don't know whether this year model would have had it, but either way, that's or nah. Might be, no, probably no. Might be hydraulic, but it could be just AdBlue, I don't know. Not 100% up to speed with all the details of the truck. This is basically just I review the trucks as in if you're going to buy it, you know, so you know what the paint's like, you know what it's got on it, and everything like that. I won't be giving you details of what motor it's in it, you know, when it was made or what it was used for. That's not what my reviews are. My reviews are basically if you want to buy it, this is what it's going to look like, this is what it's got, and that's what to expect. So there you go. So we've got fuel tank, and then under there, not sure what that one would be. Whether this model would have the big muffler under there, and then the stacks come out. So I don't know what year that sort of started. But either way, chrome on the outside with your steps, and then you've got up here, you've got your additional mirror. And everything else is sort of all the same. So that's not bad. So yeah, once you fixed up those back tyres there, it'll be alright. Let me just get the turntable. Alright, that's the turntable. Now, I don't like the gloves. I just can't feel the model properly. And I just got the one of the little windscreen wipers stuck on me glove there. So I think the idea of the gloves might go in the bin, I think. Might be alright for the bigger stuff. But these smaller trucks, there's too many little parts on them that the glove could get caught on. So I think I'll give it a miss. And just wipe fingerprints off, I think. I tried. We'll see how we go with it. But there we go. That was the review. As you can see, that windscreen wiper's not sitting down properly now. Bugger. I will have one of these on my eBay store. Check the link in the description. If it's there, I will still have the truck. Otherwise, it's either gone, sold, or whatever. I've sold another one today. So they won't last long. I'm hoping to get more in soon. And we'll see how we go with that. But this is a pretty good looking truck, I think. It looks alright there with a little wing up the top. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think we got these here in Australia. I don't recall seeing any. If anyone else knows whether we got these in Australia, then yeah, let me know. But I don't think we did. Alright. Check out the other videos that are popping up on the screen. Please like, comment, subscribe. Share the channel as much as you can. And I will see you on the next video. Catch us all later.